was me, the one who wanted to learn how to draw but had no clue where to start, cause I had a full-time job and zero free time. I was thinking to myself, how can I learn to draw in 30 days? Is it even possible to pick up a new skill in that time? So I just went for it, spending about 2 hours every day at the end of the day. To keep myself motivated, I record my drawing process every day and posted the videos on YouTube and Instagram. Let's go for drawing. At first, I just started to warm up my hand. I saw some artists do it with basic shapes like a circle or a straight line. Then I draw some 3D shapes. It's really good practice for drawing shapes. The next day I try to draw Loomis method, different angle of head. It's a really good method to draw. Yeah, it's the Loomis method. Then I try to draw some faces for the first time. I just want to know what's my level in drawing a skill, and obviously it's not good. Here I just started to watch the YouTube video and draw like another artist step by step, and this drawing from this video, draw another faces. I said before that I found some interesting, amazing artists in YouTube. This drawing is from this channel. It's kind of really good. I cannot pronounce it. It's kind of really creepy, What was your problem? Drew some detail like eyes. Really confusing that you can draw 2 eyes perfectly. More practice for drawing eyes and eyebrows. And eyebrows, so good, it's a good way to drawing faces natural. Yeah, I just draw another faces. On my drawing, I have a nose problem. I don't know why. It's so hard, it's a really easy shape. I know, but it's kind of really hard. You can do it with different angle. Then I try draw another faces. I think I can fix that maybe. I'm not sure. Here I started to draw lips and mouth. I'm not really a fan of realistic drawing. I really like anime drawing or semi-realistic drawing. And try to draw hair. Face without hair is kind of creepy, so I just try to draw hair. That's kind of cool because I try to draw the same reference 3 times. See how much I can draw closer to my reference, and third one is so close. I really want to drawing hair. I have a really problem about it. That video and draw like that. Oh my god, that's really creepy. In my mind, he laughed like this. Just move on. Here I just copy another artist. I really like it. It's so interesting and lovely, I learned how to draw eyes perfectly and realistic from Rocco. That will be my last drawing. That's the 30 days of real and honest process. This might be end of the challenge, but it's just the beginning for me. I'm gonna keep going. So if you learn anything new, drop a like, leave a comment, and just say hi. I read them all.